मेरे को किसी ने बोला मनहूस है, इसको पता नहीं क्या करता है, पागल है. I'm saying it's very easily I was branded, which is what I fought against, and I felt so alone and isolated, and I felt like everybody was isolating Sandeep instead of talking to him. People were attacking him and accusing him. Nobody was talking to him. I have gone through that. Bombay Velvet बोला कि नहीं 2 घंटे 25 मिनट में करो, कटवाई गई. करेक्ट. 3 घंटे फिल्म किसी को देखनी नहीं है. उस फिल्म को यूए एडल्ट ना मिले तो उसकी वजह से चीजें सेंसर हुई क्योंकि बजट ज्यादा था. बहुत चीजें सेंसर. सबसे मोस्ट सेंसर्ड फिल्म इज बॉम्बे वेलवेट.
कुछ टाइम पहले जब यू पुट द पोस्ट आउट विद संदीप,
मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं उस आदमी से.
जी,
वो बंदा अच्छा लगता है. वो जो है वो सामने है. Unlike a lot of people in this industry that I've seen, and I'm seeing a lot of people who posture to be something they are not, and then you find out, and that for me is even more toxic.
sure.
I'm saying ये जो आदमी है ये एक straight honest आदमी है. इसका जो भी है लोगों को पसंद है ना पसंद है, मुझे honesty से ज़्यादा कुछ पसंद नहीं है. What the hypocrisy which I don't understand is, पहले दिन से उसको आप गाली दे रहे हो, आप कैंसिल कर रहे हो, और सब लोग जो है जिसको गुस्सा आ रहा है वो गुस्से में जा रहा है देखने की कैसा क्या किया है, और फिर डबल गुस्सा होकर बाहर आ रहा है और फिर डबल कैंसिल कर रहा है. आई एम सेइंग तुम लोग खुद हिपोक्रेट हो यार. ऐसे क्यों जा रहे हो?
तुमने
और अटैक करना है.
हार्ड अर्न मनी दिया है.
हाँ, तुम्हारे दोस्त ने तुमको ऑलरेडी बोल रखा है कि इस फिल्म में ये है वो है, तो क्यों जा रहे हो देखने? जा रहे हो देखने और फिर बाहर आके बोल भी रहे हो, और फिर सिर्फ सारे फिंगर्स एक अकेले उसके ऊपर क्यों पॉइंट कर रहे हो? डीवीडी के बारे में कितने लोगों ने कैंसिल किया था मुझे. येलो बूट्स के टाइम था. आई रिमेम्बर वन क्रिटिक अमूल मोहन तो रोट अबाउट ये किस तरह के हस्बैंड वाइफ हैं, बिकॉज आई वाज मैरिड टू कल्कि एट दैट टाइम. कैसा हस्बैंड जब अपनी वाइफ से ऐसा रोल करा रहा है और गॉड नोज व्हाट देयर पर्सनल लाइफ वुड बी. आई एम सेइंग आर यू फिल्म क्रिटिक और व्हाट?
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. This director has created a revolution when it comes to cinema for a while now. Always followed his heart, continues to do so. All right, thank you so much for joining in, Anurag.
Thank you. I've only been doing my things, so it has taken a long time for people to accept me as me. I don't know how much they fully accept me or not, but yes, I feel acceptance.
Yeah, I don't think you're the kind of person who's waiting for someone to validate you.
Yeah.
So that's why that's exactly
but
where you are.
It's a good thing that there's a lot of people who now. It's not as hard today as it was 10 years ago.
Of course.
15 years ago.
How are you doing right now today?
I'm
The
better.
last time I met you,
I was not very.
you're not there. You've been battling depression for a while now. I know it's a everyday process, I'm sure. How have you dealt with that? How are you feeling? And today, what mental space are you in?
I'm good. I'm doing films that I have been wanting to do. I'm working. I have nothing to complain about. Health-wise, everything. Now I take it one day at a time. So मैं आगे का plan नहीं करता ज़्यादा. And the biggest learning that I have had is staying too much in the past only causes trauma. Thinking too much about the future only causes anxiety. So always stay in the present and take one day at a time. So it's good.
The post that you put out for people out there saying that, you know, I'm kind of exhausted giving free advice to
I am
people.
exhausted with not just free advice. Like problem is advice आप किसको दोगे? जो आदमी खुद की help नहीं कर सकता उसकी कहाँ से help करोगे? So if somebody can't stand up for themselves, there's no point me standing up for them. It's taken me a long time to realize, and I'm not come here to change people's lives. I'm not some kind of a. मुझे परमात्मा ने नहीं भेजा. I've come here to make my own films. I've come here to do my own things, and I do things with people I want to do, and बहुत लोग टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं. और अब समय ऐसा आ गया कि अब मेरे को जो फिल्म नहीं अच्छी लगती मैं 10 मिनट में उठ जाता हूँ. पहले जैसा नहीं है कि मैं पूरा देखता था. अब मुझे मालूम है टाइम कम है लाइफ में. बहुत किताबें पढ़नी है, बहुत फिल्में बनानी है, बहुत लिखना है, बहुत फिल्में देखनी है. So not to waste my time on things that actually pull you down.
क्या ये assumption सही होगा कि वो post इसलिए भी दिया था because maybe it was a little overwhelming with all the requests you get every day and a part of your healing process for your
It is part of my healing process. I have to learn to draw my boundaries. I don't want to. पहले I was just too polite to say no to people, and of course things that I believed in, I would champion it and would love to help it. वो अभी भी होता है, but now there's a process. I've realized that I don't have to be the first one to see it or discover it. People generally come to me saying that आप अगर देख लो तो, my thing is आप दूसरों को दिखाओ पहले. अगर अच्छा होगा ना, तो I have my people. I have my people who are part of the festivals. I have people who select films and they tell me हाँ ये देखो. मैंने कहा उन लोगों को दिखाओ पहले. जो अच्छा होगा तो अपने आप मेरे पास आ जाएगा. अब मैं सब बैठ के नहीं देखता, दिन में थक जाता हूँ. तो my thing is I have realized I need my 8 hours of sleep. I need my exercise. I need other things in life also. Or I'm prioritizing myself. Once I get back to my full 100% mental and physical health, then I will do things. This is not a time where I can be there for someone. I would rather have
People
somebody
for you.
being there for me.
Of course, of course. मुझे ये याद है कि लास्ट टाइम हमारी बात हुई थी और आपने उस वक्त you were, it was the beginning and you were still in the process of trying to heal yourself, और आपने कहा था कि मन नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं डायरेक्ट करूँ फिल्म्स क्योंकि मैं उस हालत में नहीं हूँ, मैं एक्टिंग करूँगा. अभी मन कर रहा है कि मैं एक्टिंग करूँ.
हाँ, इसलिए मैंने बहुत सारी एक्टिंग की बीच में, बिकॉज कुछ तो करना ही पड़ता है. तो उस हालत में मैं स्टेट ऑफ माइंड नहीं था लिखने का, लेकिन अभी है, मैं बहुत लिख रहा हूँ, बना रहा हूँ, सब कर रहा हूँ. आई एम बैक टू डूइंग व्हाट आई लव डूइंग, सो व्हिच इज गुड.
Which is fantastic. पर एक्टिंग
लास्ट ईयर कर ली मैंने, खत्म हो गई.
हो गई. और
अब सिर्फ रिलीज हो रही है.
अच्छा, लोगों को लग रहा है अब रिलीजेस हो रही तो लग रहा है कि अनुराग करे हर साल ही कर रहे हैं.
अब मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ.
अब डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. मगर उसी बात पे बैट कॉप पे आ जाते हैं.
हाँ, it's very different. It's actually very different. It's created by Aditya and his writing team and all those people. And I think कुछ हुआ on the very first day of the shoot, so they felt like making the character more spicy and more exciting.
So is there no inspiration you took from some characters that maybe you've done or seen in the past?
I did.
Gangs?
My performance approach, I literally I looked at only 2 performances. Nana Patekar in Parinda and Irfan in Hasil. I just took those 2, and that too one scene of the performances, and मैं कहता इसी के अराउंड जो है मैं ट्राई करता हूँ प्ले करने का.
And which is why I think it gives you a little bit of the gangs hangover. That's the only thing I think I felt.
वो तो कॉस्ट्यूम तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बनाया मेरे लिए. मैं तो बहुत खुश हो गया था, बिकॉज वो कुर्ते जो उन्होंने मेरे लिए बनाए हैं, वैसे कुर्ते ना तो कोई पहनता है ना कोई मार्केट में मिलते हैं. उन्होंने उसने स्पेशली डिज़ाइन किया. मैंने बोला जितने डिज़ाइन किए सब मुझे गिफ्ट कर दो, तो उन्होंने सारे मुझे गिफ्ट कर दिए. वो गर्मी में शूटिंग के काम आएंगे.
I'm sure you had fun with it when you were doing
I had
it.
a lot of
There
fun.
is a lot of scope to kind of go
a lot
anywhere
of
you
fun
want
because
to.
it was a good team. It was a good team. When you have a good team and everybody is having fun, and you also have fun. With Gullu I had fun. With other actors I had fun. Director was fun. Rehan, who was always helping me with lines. अब ये उसको ये यहाँ पे मराठी हो जाता है, इधर गुजराती बोलता है. He's a multilingual kind of a villain. तो मैं कहा हाँ, I had a lot of fun doing all that. गुरुशा के साथ I had fun. We also connected because उसके मेरा हिस्ट्री उसके फादर के साथ भी है. रंजीत कपूर के लिए मैं पान लाता था.
Really?
So generally and also realize that everybody who's working has been my friend. Harleen and me used to go to gym together back in 2013-14. Aishwarya I had tested for Maximum City. Gullu started with me. Gullu was Kalki's very good friend, and we have worked together so long. So somehow or the other, it's like I was working with friends. Saurabh Sachdeva, his first thing was Sacred Games,
Of
and then
course.
Man Marziyan. So generally, you're surrounded by people you know, you
And
love,
you like.
and you like.
You were still going through your mental health issues,
Yes.
right? उसको compartmentalize करके
They
set
were
पे जाना.
very accommodating. I told them I am not physically very well, or I told them also that I need time to go and fix myself. So मेरा काम जितना तुम लोग एक साथ करोगे और ख़त्म करोगे तो अच्छा होगा. And they did that much more for me. So they also went out of the way to make sure that I was comfortable. अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या कुछ है, whether it is like मैं सिर्फ फ्रूट्स खा रहा हूँ, मैं वो सब नहीं खा सकता, ये सारी चीज़ें they took care of me. I was very happy. मतलब in the sense it was really Fremantle and Lina and the Anuradha and the whole team, they really made it comfortable for me. Even doing action scene, Gulshan made it comfortable for me. Like, you know, उसमें सारा कि कैसे जाऊँ ये वो. They took care of it that I don't have to strain myself. And which is why I could just give it everything. It was very comfortable. The lovely people I worked with. Surprisingly, this is the first time doing action I did not get injured. Generally, हमेशा अकीरा में मेरा rib fracture हो गया था. I've had Imaica Nodigal. I was in hospitalized twice. Like Maharaja also, I ruptured my shoulder. But यहाँ पे I had no injury. So I think Gulshan Devaya taught me how to be mindful while doing action, which he I think learned during Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. So which was a big help. My weight, I gained my weight while I was bedridden.
Yeah.
I could not move. I was immobile and being on steroids and trying to do things and numbing it down on top of it, trying to numb it down with whiskey and eating food from Zomato. I'm saying I was doing everything that was just not to do.
Yeah.
So when I was bedridden, I must be like 86, 87 kilos, and when I got out of bed, I was suddenly 119. तो बॉडी में बैलेंस कहाँ से आएगा? Suddenly your legs become weak. Everything. तो बॉडी में बैलेंस ही नहीं था.
You know, I was talking about revolutionizing films. I think First Say Phantom का उद्देश्य वो था. You all were
AKFPL का उद्देश्य भी वही था, GBF का उद्देश्य भी वही था. मेरा पर्सनल उद्देश्य वही रहा है. लेकिन अक्सर कुछ ना कुछ सबके अपने एम्बिशंस होते हैं.
what is
अलग-अलग.
You've been through trying to launch successful production houses because for a while you all were successful. You know, you all were doing those mid-budget films which nobody wanted to touch, and you all were successfully doing it, creating your fan base. और फिर वो एकदम से जब चले जाता है, मुझे पता है at some point
बहुत दिल टूट जाता है.
बिल्कुल. How do you look at what didn't work, and I want to basically understand what your learnings from that was. What do you think you'd have done differently? Because
I don't know. See, I did my best. I would just say that I was not very lucky to find a great partner in terms financially or something like that with a similar vision. Right? People came in and they went, but the thing is, everybody was. When it comes to money, people change. When it comes to success, is the biggest corrupter of things, and everybody just wanted things for personal benefit rather than trying to build something together. And so my biggest learning is, अब समझ आ गया ठीक okay, I'm not good with finances. I find it very tiresome. And this is not that you don't understand.
sure.
It's very tiresome to get into this. Then my creativity will go for a toss. So now I'm like, okay, I'm just won't produce anymore. I stopped producing. I think those are the new learnings. I won't produce anymore. I have people I trust who I will work with, and if there's something that I can help with, if they need my help, I will enable it. I'm presenting a lot of films, like for say with Ranjan, we're doing with just पोखर के दोनों पार, जग्गी, डुग डुग, ऐसी लिटिल थॉमस प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. बट द थिंग इज दैट दोज रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज आर नॉट माइन. I come in only when I'm needed, and I do exactly just what is needed of me. And Goldfish bhi tha, and I keep financial transactions out of it because those as it is very indie films. So I know that what those things I'm doing for the love of it, and if I love it, I'm doing it. तो मैं separate कर लिया और I'm not taking on any more responsibility where somebody becomes ambitious, fires guns from my shoulder, uses me to build themselves up. I'm not just giving that access anymore to anyone.
Do Vikramaditya and you sometimes reminisce over it that we could have
Me
been
and
something?
Vikram have been the same forever in the sense our friendship has only become stronger. He's my person I talk to. Ranjan Singh is another person that I keep talking to. Ajay Rai is another person that I keep talking to. Between them, and I have now one more producer, Nikhil. So like between these four, I'm very happy.
दोस्तों की बात चल रही है, तो ये टॉपिक निकालना ज़रूरी है कि कुछ टाइम पहले जब यू पुट द पोस्ट आउट विथ संदीप,
Yeah. उसका बहुत बात की. मेरी बेटी ने भी मुझे सवाल किया, उसमें मैंने सब कुछ बात कर रखी है. I you know what, बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ है कि मुझे बंदा अच्छा लगता है. मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं उस आदमी से.
जी,
वो बंदा अच्छा लगता है, वो जो है वो सामने है. unlike a lot of people in this industry that I've seen, and I'm seeing a lot of people who posture to be something they're not, and then you find out, and that for me is even more toxic.
Sure.
I'm saying ये जो आदमी है, ये स्ट्रेट ऑनेस्ट आदमी है, इसका जो भी है लोगों को पसंद है नापसंद है, मुझे ऑनेस्टी से ज़्यादा कुछ पसंद नहीं। ऑनेस्टी में आप के कुछ भी इश्यूज हो सकते हैं, और आई लव टॉकिंग टू हिम।
पर आपने पोस्ट मूवी के बारे में भी किया था और आपने लिखा था यहाँ पे कि मुझे अच्छी लगी, या
आई एम सेइंग फिल्म का जो इम्पैक्ट है उसको कौन डिनाई कर सकता। मैं थिंक
जी जी
देखो, एक छोटी सी चीज़ होती है, एक फिल्म जो होती है ना, उस फिल्म ने कुछ ऐसा कर दिया कि उसके पहले हमारा जो एक्शन होता था इतना फेक लगता था।
जी
और हम लोग अपने आप को इतना होल्ड बैक करते। उसने कितनी थ्योरी चेंज की, 3.5 घंटे की एडल्ट फिल्म। आई हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट। बॉम्बे वेलवेट बोला कि नहीं 2 घंटे 25 मिनट में करो, कटवाई गई। करेक्ट। 3 घंटे फिल्म किसी को देखनी नहीं है। उस फिल्म को यूए एडल्ट ना मिले तो उसकी वजह से चीज़ें सेंसर हुई क्योंकि बजट ज़्यादा था। बहुत चीज़ें सेंसर। सबसे मोस्ट सेंसर्ड फिल्म इज बॉम्बे वेलवेट। पहला नीलानी ने खुद बैठ के कटवाया। तो मैं आई नो दैट हाउ angry that had made me, that I had no support system. Nobody was supporting me. Everybody was only looking at ये रिकवरी करनी है, ओपनिंग लेना है, रिकवरी करनी है, ओपनिंग लेना। फिल्म नहीं रही तो रिकवरी ओपनिंग तो भूल जाओ। जब तुम्हारी खुद की फिल्म तुम नहीं अप्रिशिएट कर पाओगे तो बाकी कैसे करेंगे। सो वो जो चीज़ें हैं वो सारी चीज़ें गलत प्रूफ की इस आदमी ने, और उससे मेरे को रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मुझे भी इसकी तरह स्टबर्न रहना चाहिए था। हम से अगर मैं संदीप की तरह स्टबर्न रहता अपनी फिल्म को लेकर के, और मैं लड़ता और वो वर्जन मैं निकालता बाहर बिना किसी की सुने जैसे इसने किया, तो कम से कम सक्सेस होता या फेलियर होता मेरा होता, आज मैं कह सकता था। तो मेरे को बहुत कुछ उससे सीखने को ही मिलता है, उसके स्टबर्ननेस से। उसके क्रिएटिव विजन के साथ आप आर्ग्यू कर सकते हो और वो स्पेस देता आर्ग्यू करने का। हाँ, लेकिन हम लोग जनरली क्या करते हैं, हम लोग सिर्फ अटैक करते हैं जी। आज के हम लोग सबको कैंसिल कर देते हैं तुरंत। हम डिस्कशन नहीं करते, हम डिबेट नहीं करते, हम डिस्कोर्स नहीं करते। और जो उसमें क्या है ना, ठीक है सबने खराब चीज़ें तो पॉइंट आउट कर दी, जो चीज़ें अच्छी थी, जो चीज़ें चेंज कर रही हैं हमारे आज हम लोग जो पोस्ट उसके बाद जो है एक्शन फिल्म देखी नहीं जाती ना लोगों से। एक्शन फेक क्यों लगने लग गया उसके बाद। हमसे जो अच्छी चीज़ है उसके बारे में कोई बात क्यों नहीं करता। हर आदमी उन्हीं प्रॉब्लमेटिक चीज़ों को उठा के बात कर रहा है। जो मैं आपको हज़ारों फिल्म जो मेरे लिए वो हो जाता है कि मैं, हाँ ये तो हमने हंटर रिलीज की थी, क्या क्या नहीं बोला गया था कि रिव्यूज़ में क्या क्या नहीं लिखा गया था हंटर के बारे में। ना तो फिल्म मेकर वैसा है, ना उसका इंटेंशन वैसा था, ना फिल्म का इंटेंशन वैसा था। डीवीडी के बारे में कितने लोगों ने कैंसिल किया था मुझे। येलो बूट्स के टाइम था, आई रिमेंबर वन क्रिटिक अमूल मोहन तो wrote about ये किस तरह के हस्बैंड वाइफ हैं, बिकॉज आई वाज मैरिड टू कल्कि एट दैट टाइम। कैसा हस्बैंड है जो अपनी वाइफ से ऐसा रोल करा रहा है और गॉड नोज व्हाट देयर पर्सनल लाइफ वुड बी। आई एम सेइंग आर यू फिल्म क्रिटिक और व्हाट। आई एम सेइंग इस तरह का तो माइंडसेट है तुम्हारा। सो आई एम सेइंग इस तरह के लोग तो भरे पड़े ना। मैं खुद गुजर चुका हूं ना उससे, हजारों बार कैंसिल हुआ। ये तो छोड़ दो, ब्लैक फ्राइडे के टाइम अ वेरी फेमस क्रिटिक रोट, इज दिस अ फिल्म और अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री। हाँ, और उसके बाद कि ये इंडिया का टूरिज्म ऐड लगता है कि यू नो इंडिया के, बिकॉज हमने जगह जगह जाके शूट किया था ऑथेंटिसिटी के लिए जहाँ जहाँ जो हो।
And today it's a cult classic.
नहीं वो ठीक है, बट आई एम सेइंग वी गो थ्रू ऑल दोस थिंग्स। आई हैव गॉन थ्रू ऑल दोस थिंग्स एंड एट दैट टाइम इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग अ सपोर्ट सिस्टम आई वाज ऑलवेज कॉल्ड। मेरे को किसी ने बोला मनहूस है, इसको पता नहीं क्या करता है, पागल है। आई एम सेइंग इट्स वेरी इजीली आई वाज ब्रांडेड, which is what I fought against, and I felt so alone and isolated, and I felt like everybody was isolating Sandeep instead of talking to him. People were attacking him and accusing him. Nobody was talking to him, and I wanted to talk to him, and I wanted to talk to him about the good things that he's done, and I would discuss with him the things that I have a problem, and he's open. He's an open person.
Yeah.
When you don't attack him, he'll talk about everything.
But you had predicted that because you had written that people are going to get upset and stuff like that, right?
Yeah. मुझे see अगर मैं
With particularly because your friends did, they commented on that very post.
Absolutely.
And
And
your daughter also got upset.
my daughter was upset. That's okay. She asked me questions. I answered that. My friends, I called all of them home, and we had a long discussion. Everybody. I said my point of view, and they said, I don't become, my friends will obviously, they know what the kind of person
Yeah.
I am, and they can comment. But I'll sit down and talk with them also at the same time. I don't have an issue with any of those things. मैं जिंदगी में अगर एक चीज़ सीखी है ना, तो बस ये सीखा है कि अगर आपको किसी चीज़ से दिक्कत है तो आप उसके बारे में उससे बात करो, और अगर आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम है तो मत देखो ना, आपको किसी ने बंदूक रखी है सर पे देखने को.
जी.
आई एम सेइंग व्हाट द हिपोक्रेसी व्हिच आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इज, पहले दिन से उसको आप गाली दे रहे हो, आप कैंसिल कर रहे हो, और सब लोग जो है जिसको गुस्सा आ रहा है वो गुस्से में जा रहा है देखने की कैसा क्या किया है, और फिर डबल गुस्सा होकर बाहर आ रहा है और फिर डबल कैंसिल कर रहा है. आई एम सेइंग तुम लोग खुद हिपोक्रेट हो यार.
जी.
ऐसे क्यों जा रहे हो?
तुमने
और अटैक करना है.
हार्ड अर्न मनी दिया है.
हाँ, तुम्हारे दोस्त ने तुमको ऑलरेडी बोल रखा है कि इस फिल्म में ये है वो है, तो क्यों जा रहे हो देखने? जा रहे हो देखने और फिर बाहर आके बोल भी रहे हो, और फिर सिर्फ सारे फिंगर्स एक अकेले उसके ऊपर क्यों पॉइंट कर रहे हो? उस फिल्म में तो बहुत लोग पार्टिसिपेट किया. दे आल्सो मेन, दे आल्सो वुमेन.
Yeah. Also because I
Singularly
think,
pick one person out.
so you could relate to that isolation and that loneliness that he must have felt.
Absolutely, absolutely. I've been there. I've been there. I've been there. I've stayed in literally. I was invisible. I stayed in that oblivion by myself, trying to make sense of things, trying to figure out, and that has been a very, very isolating, lonely period of my life.
There has been so much discussion post Devdi got released also, right?
Yeah, every day, yeah.
I did. I thought there was.
Devdi में Abhay's character और Manoj Bajpayee's character in Gangs of Wasseypur are the most misogynistic
Yeah.
characters.
They are toxic.
Right?
Yeah.
Why did people enjoy them? My question is, okay, fine. They say yes, women also had agency in the film. Fine, I agreed. But you enjoyed that toxic character at the same time. You were laughing at it. You made memes out of it. Chabi kahan hai? You made memes out of.
I think the fate of the character, Anurag. The fact that maybe they felt like the character did not kind of wasn't glorified.
No, my thing is
another level.
नहीं यार.
Like end में वही इंसान अगर जीत जाता है, उसको जो चाहिए होता है उसको
नहीं,
मिल जाता है.
जीते ना जीते की बात ही नहीं है, वो तो एंड में होता है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार, हम पहले ये तो देखो हम लोग कौन से देश में हैं. करेक्ट. आप जब बात करते हो पेट्रियार्की की, सबसे ज्यादा पेट्रियार्कल लोग जो ना आपको सबसे बड़े खानदान में मिलेंगे.
जी बिल्कुल.
सबसे ऊंचे लेवल पे
100%.
मिलेंगे.
जी बिल्कुल मानती हूँ इस बात को.
जो अपनी चीजों को कंट्रोल करने के लिए वैसे करते हैं. उन बड़े घरों में आप आदमियों को जानते हो, उन बड़े घरों में जो बेटियां होती हैं उनकी शादी कर दी जाती है जल्दी से
जी
दूसरे बड़े घरों में.
जी.
I'm saying कहाँ पे होता है? I'm saying वो भी they're talking about also a rich family which is in a way this is how they see the world because they come from privilege. They also live in a bubble. And film is called animal, no? Film is not called insan.
जी.
I'm saying film is called animal. Film is talking about. I'm saying हाँ structurally बहुत और चीजें हो सकती थी, कुछ चीजें हैं जो problematic होती, but बिना इसके वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. बिना नेगेटिव के पॉजिटिव एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. बिना पॉजिटिव के नेगेटिव एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. I'm saying वो हम लोगों का देखने का नजरिया बहुत अलग हो गया. हम लोग मेरे को कभी कभी लगता है जरूरत से ज्यादा वोक हो गए
कि हम बात नहीं करना चाहते.
हम बात नहीं करते हैं, हम सीधा ओपिनियन बनाते हैं और एक्यूज करते हैं.
बट देवदी आया तो आई एम श्योर देयर हैज वी आर अवेयर ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट Abhay felt very differently post it at the film, and he was very upset with you for a while. He continues to be, and he felt like the character in that way was glorified. He realized that later, he said, and all of that. How do you look at that conversation? Because
I don't. For me, I have done what I wanted to do and what I've seen, and I like films to be very real in their world. I don't want to give unnecessarily redeeming qualities to character because मैंने ऐसे बहुत सारे टेस्ट किए हैं लाइफ में. For example, when I see Kennedy, which is not released yet.
Yeah, which we've not been able to see yet.
Yeah. So what happens during Kennedy is, in Kennedy, for the psychopathic character that it is, when people feel sympathy, I said, question yourself. I said, what redeeming quality? You get one redeeming quality and we start feeling बेचारा. I said, प्रॉब्लम उसमें नहीं, तुम में ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. आप अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करो, आप क्यों उसको देख के एंजॉय कर रहे हो. आप अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करो, आपको यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है. आपको ये चीज अनकंफर्टेबल कर रही है, लेकिन बाकी चीज के लिए आप चेयर कर रहे हो. आप खुद को देखो. हर कोई बड़ी इजीली सामने वाले को देखता है. तो मैं तो I तो really test the audience also like that. I have question yourself. हमारे यहाँ के फिल्म मेकर्स तो इतने ज़्यादा डिसऑनेस्ट हैं, वो तो उनकी फिल्म पता ही नहीं चलता कि वो इंडिया की है कि हिंदी की कि कहाँ से आई है. वो तो बिल्कुल ही कहीं से भी मुझे रूटेड या ग्राउंडेड नहीं लगती हैं.
कैनेडी की बात आई, मुझे पता है कि यू वर अमंग द वेरी फ्यू डायरेक्टर्स जो एक एक्शन फ्रेंचाइज क्रिएट करना चाहते थे. आई होप अभी भी चाहते हो, विथ अ लीडिंग फीमेल एक्टर, एंड वो Kill Bill के you were trying to work that out. Now I was very excited because I thought if anybody could ever.
No, I'm not doing. I've written a script which is totally not Kill Bill, which is something else, which will happen soon.
Sure, but you know
तो
there
होगा.
were conversations about the fact that you were.
But I was not well बीच में, so उसके लिए बहुत एनर्जी चाहिए. Let me get back on my feet fully, and that will happen for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
The absolutely scary.
Yes,
but
absolutely.
Is that still the one that I'm talking about? The Kill Bill kind of inspiration.
No, Kill Bill. Kill Bill has caught on too much, but it's got nothing to do with Kill Bill. It's totally entirely its own thing.
Yeah.
And it will happen
because
soon.
It was supposed to happen with Kriti and.
वो बहुत सारे लोग आते जाते रहते हैं सब कुछ, because मैं खुद ठीक नहीं था तो मैं कहाँ से करूँगा.
Fair enough.
So let me. I'm saying अभी मैं कर रहा हूँ काम, उसके लिए मुझे पूरी ताकत चाहिए अपने अंदर.
It was cute to see you and your daughter chat. You have officially now your daughter is engaged properly now there.
Yes.
So I know you keep feeling older.
No, not just feeling older. I just don't see like it feels like she's
there, out there in the world.
She's grown up. I want her to come back to be small, and I want to.
But I'm sure it must have been fantastic for you. But did you get emotional when that was happening?
I am very.
You were cracking the joke about, I know your wedding is the cost of a film.
It doesn't matter. It's nothing.
You were joking
also,
about
low
it.
budget film. My extremely low budget film. My low budget films are very low budget, so don't worry about it. That's not a thing. That's my complaint.
No, you were. I know you were joking about it, but I have the reason I'm saying is.
मैं तो अपनी बेटी बोलता तो काम कर, तो भाग के शादी कर ले. हाँ, मैं वो हिंदी फिल्म वाला बाप बन जाता तो भाग के शादी कर ले, मुझे इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी.
अनुराग का भागने वाला कॉन्सेप्ट मरमजिया में भी पुश किया गया है. वो होता है हर जगह, है कि नहीं?
पुराने ज़माने भाग के शादी कर लेते थे.
Yeah, but no, she's fantastic and she's a woman of her own opinion.
She's amazing. I feel so proud because when I travel and at the airports, at various places, going for a movie, people walk up to me and they tell me that how much they love my daughter. I've had one very senior minister walk up to me and says, your daughter is getting married and my daughter wants to attend your daughter's wedding. I'm like, really? He says, she's a fan and she's a follower. I've had people who are in mental health walk up to me and say, your daughter is doing something very good for mental health. And she's doing, and my daughters want to be like her. And that makes you feel so proud because, it feels proud because, one day instead of people calling her my daughter, I am being called her father. That's the most beautiful thing, that you're Alia Kashyap's father. I'm like, yeah.
She must have helped you in this journey, when you were going through mental health
She has
issues.
taught me a lot of things. Yeah, she has taught me a lot of things. And some other people in my life have taught me a lot of things, and they pushed me into therapy, and and even my friends and partners also have been there and helped some, like people like Nawazuddin regularly messages me inquiring about my health. Bhai, aap theek ho? Kuch chahiye to nahi? Sab kuch. There are people in Tapsi Pannu calls me. First thing she says, Zinda ho? Kaise chal raha hai?
So Tapsi.
Health kaisa hai? So I'm saying, Anubhav Sinha is like incredible the way he keeps a check on me. Oh, he's always checking on me कि how much am I smoking or drinking. एक बार तो उसने आके और मेरी बेटी ने मिलके सारी bottles उठा के फेंक दी, खाली कर दी. I'm saying there are people in my life who Sudhir Mishra. Sudhir Mishra was like went out of his way to like book me into a place to fix me. I'm saying there are people in my life who I'm very grateful for. Motwani. Motwani's wife Ishika is like really always concerned and wanting to make sure I'm fixed. My yoga teacher Rupal or Vilayat, who's my trainer, they're constantly saying आज उठो exercise और किसी भी हालत में exercise करनी है. विलायत धक्का देके exercise करवाएगा और रूपल बोलेगी मैं आ रही हूँ, I'll stretch you out. The people in my life, Mandar, who's like comes and messes. So I appreciate these people in my life.
Wonderful. Anurag, you were also supposed to make, at that time when the production house was there, you all were really seriously planning to make some of the most interesting Indian comic characters.
बहुत सारे यार.
know,
बहुत कुछ
Doga.
है. Alvin Kalicharan, Doga, Maximum City, बहुत कुछ चीजें हैं जो नहीं हुई. और डोगा तो खैर impossible है होना.
But there were I read a lot of stories that they were trying to do it, and I knew that when I meet you, I have to ask you, why do you think that it's becoming so difficult? Because you
it
guys
is not that. The Doga problem is very different from rest of the problem. वो जो comic book owners हैं वो एक अलग किस्म के मेगालोमेनियक हैं. उनको अगर फिल्म करनी होगी तो फिल्म हो जाती. उनको बिना कुछ किए ही मार्वल बनना है और रातों रात. So which is why in spite of every good person associated with Doga, I don't think उनका कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट बनने वाला है. Because वो लोग खुद ही थोड़े से यहाँ पे हिले हुए हैं.
Sad.
Very sad.
But do you think anything else can be done with the other characters that you
You can't, when they own the
not
property.
Doga. I mean like there are other. I know there were other characters.
सब कुछ थे. Any property they own is very difficult to put it on screen because वो है कुछ लोग होते हैं सब. वो कुछ नहीं हो. Complicated लोग हैं वो.
Would have been interesting.
बाकी सब अभी भी है. बाकी सब हो सकता है. कभी ना कभी तो होगा. I am not going to give up on Maximum City. I am not going to give up on Alvin. Someday something will happen. अभी भी जो फिल्म करने जा रहा हूँ वो भी 8 साल पहले लिखी थी. अब करने जा रहा हूँ. तो it's not like that. अगली 2006 में लिखी थी. बनी 2012-13 में.
You're going back on the sets now as a director for a while. You've been away from it.
I just finished first schedule of one film and I'm getting into another.
So you've been away from it for a while?
Yeah.
I know you go in the set now with I'm sure it's very different from the time that you were there. You're a changed person from the time you're walking into a set now, Anurag, with what you've been through, what you're going through.
Yeah.
Also with your set experiences. You've been the kind of director who's always called out saying that the pressure that you felt for doing a film with the external factors like budget and the production house and the quality depleted, I don't think that you would want to compromise that anymore.
I'm very clear about it. I want to, as a filmmaker, I want to get back to my pre-Phantom phase. Because बीच में बहुत सारे factors हैं. आप खुदा कंपनी आ जाती है, सब आ जाते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें लोग आ जाते हैं कि इसको ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, वैसे करना चाहिए. And then I got caught up. Earlier I never used to think. I was like ये बनाने जा रहा हूँ, यही बनाऊँगा. So I want to get back to there, and I have done. I've been writing like that. I have been working like the same way, and I'm getting back to that whole old person that somehow subconsciously, because of what happens is शुरू में कोई आपको ध्यान नहीं देता था, right? तो आप जाके आप कर आते थे.
जी.
और really nobody gave a shit about what you're doing because your cost was also controlled.
जी.
Then suddenly everybody started saying that यार तो बिना स्टार कास्ट के इतना कर सकता है तो स्टार कास्ट के साथ क्या करेगा. And somehow you also buy into that. And then I'm like, you know what, I don't need any of this. I need to just go back to why I wanted to make films and why I came here initially, and I'm doing that right now. I'm right now just doing that. I'm having fun.
So I want to end on this note that you're among the very few filmmakers who sits, analyzes his work, not just waiting for the critics, after you feel like you're not satisfied. You spoke about Sacred Games Part 2 a lot.
Yeah. No, it's also because there's some people who they are very discerning critics who, when they point out things, I talk to them, I call them, and I discuss with them, and I like them. In the sense, they're people that I look up to, and they're honest. They don't care whether they talk to you or not, but they're honest about the film and what they feel. So वो मैं करता हूँ regularly.
My question was that you've also yourself kind of
it's because, and it's also because of them. You need an objectivity. I have people in my life, filmmakers, right from Motwani to Imtiaz to Vasan Bala to Anubhuti, my sister, to Varun Grover and people who Neeraj Ghewan, and I bounce things off them. I and they're the ones who make me relook at what I'm doing. And there are people of value, and people of value I like to keep close. Nindak near rakhiye. I keep my critics close because क्या हो गया, एक सबसे कमाल की बात जो है मुझे मेरे यंगर फिल्म मेकर फ्रेंड्स ने बोली कि जब पहले फिल्म बनाते थे ना, आप फिल्म बनाते थे, अभी ऐसा लगता है बीच में देख करके कि आप जो है ना, आप ट्विटर पे नहीं हो, तो जो ट्विटर पे नहीं कह पा रहे हो फिल्मों में कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, अपनी फिल्म में से ना अपना ट्विटर निकाल दो.
They said that.
They said that to my face, and that's the most important thing. I said yes, मैं फिल्म बना रहा हूँ तो मैं एक स्टोरी बोल रहा हूँ ना, तो स्टोरी बोलता हूँ, बाकी सारी चीज़ें उठा के फेंक दो. हम सिंह वो सारी चीज़ें निकल जाएंगे अपने आप. तो ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि फिल्म में ये कैरेक्टर नहीं अनुराग कश्यप बात कर रहा है. तो वो जब मेरे को बोला वो हिट किया मुझे, और मैंने वो निकाल के फेंकना चालू किया, और अपने आप आई थिंक एवरीथिंग हैज बिकम क्लेंस्ड.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Anurag. आसान होता है कॉन्वर्सेशन इसलिए भी क्योंकि अनुराग खुद बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फ अवेयर इंसान है, और बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली I think all of us are cheering for you because we are waiting to see what Anurag has next in store for us.
वो आपने बताया नहीं, आपने मेरे को मस्टर्ड फिश खिलाया था इसलिए मैं इतने
Without that also, but thank you, Anurag. It's always lovely chatting with you.
Thank you.